Dumelang ko gae. Ditso la ka ke Tebogong Fete. O shebeletse la Ranodkolo mo Moja Love Channel 157. Ka tsone ke mo Katlegong ke tlo kopana le family ya ha Makakula. Ba botlo tseba hore abuti wa bona Mtutuzi o bolele keng. Ere ke kopana le bona go utlwa hore bona ba reng. Koko le kae?
Saphila.
Re gona ke Tebogong Fete from Ranodkolo. Ke tumetse go ba le lena. Le bala mo Jeff mo gae sofa e ya mmetsa. Le bala mo Jeff mo gae. Isizulu. La Sotho Sesotho. La Sotho, okay. Okay, ke Tebogo from Ranodkolo. Ke bua le bomang.
Umamthula.
Okay.
Usisi Gamdo.
Kamduduzi. Okay. And then unkosikazi.
Ki
Mamazala.
Mamazala. Okay.
Mamncane.
Mamncane.
Umakoti wakhe.
Okay, unkosikazi.
Yeah.
Okay. Niliqedile ushada. You're still in the process. Nelifeleditse. Okay, all right. So ke mamazala ke makoti ke auntie ke the ausi. Ke ntlo ya mang umndeni kabani lo? Wakagogo kabani?
Nomkhulu Makakula.
Makakula. Ugogo wakamduduzi. Ukhokho kamduduzi. And then umkhulu kuphi? Wahamba naye because le ndlu le abantu abadala bathi wena mkhulu use you are in a house of like the grandparents or the grandparents. Bakhuluma iqiniso?
Yeah.
Okay, so umdu was raised by these grandparents again, or these grandparents again.
Yeah.
All right, so beyahlala la.
Yeah, beyahlala la.
With makoti, and then abantwana bayi-2. What happened? Bakuphi? Badlulile. Because ngiyabona ukuthi you guys you miscarried or you lost the 2 kids again. Because he's telling me about the 2 kids. I don't want to get into a reading because maybe we will get into the reading tomorrow when Umzimba Ula. But because of the accident, I'm also thinking Umzimba will not get into the yard. If my memory serves me well, it's going to be outside.
No. Okay, kuleyo futhi bahambile bayoyivala ne?
Yeah.
Uzongena Umzimba ngejambe.
Bayivala with isilwane. Na isilwane but imbuzi.
Yes.
Yeah. Ngiyabona ukuthi ufuneka imbuzi ukuthi imgeze. But kunento that is confusing me. It's like lo mduduzi lo yana kabuyena the spirit yakhe kunombango othize from the maternal and the paternal. So there's a clash of surnames. Can we clarify that? Which surname was Mduduzi using, and then which are these people? Uspia.
Yeah.
Abantu base from the paternal side again. The way Mduduzi avela ngakhona ngathi they were trying to fix that or bamngenize in isbaying sabo. What is that? Was he planning to fix that?
Ayikho into abayenzile nje ubaba wakhe washona sasamncane. Yes, manje azange basaqhubeka, azange bakhiphe nix, azange benze nix. That's why wakhule wathatha isibongo sakubomama.
Sabomama.
Yonke into.
But labantu laba basesibia anti bayavela kakhulu because it's like umuntu that lived with them or knew about them or they wanted uakha ubuhlobo naye. Ngikhuluma iqiniso.
Yebo ukhuluma iqiniso kuleyo. Umuntu antu wakhe live around.
Yes.
Babonana each and every day.
Yes.
Bakhuluma.
Yes. Okay. So maybe somehow the way Mduduzi avela ngakhona maybe bakhuluma ngendaba yekuthi anti finally ukuthi maybe ulungise izinto zami because the way akhama ngakhona Mduduzi uthi izinto zakhe were not going well. Uthi impilo yakhe was a lot stagnant. And ukugula kwakhe because Mduduzi had ukugula ngathi ngibona isibedlela. I'm seeing the month of January, February indaba esibedlela and I'm seeing the left side ngathi ngibengasebenzi kahle or umuntu ngathi uno something and something affecting the eye. So I don't know what is that.
Before azoshona.
Yeah.
Uwe ngeside.
Oh, okay. Okay, so ngena lapho. So uwe ngeside. Okay, all right. Indaba yakhe was umuntu ushayela imoto or umuntu ushayela something.
Yena beka shayela.
Yes, as umshayeli. Is it Uber? Is it transport?
No. Dala beka driver taxi.
So I'm picking up that energy, ne? So maybe the white thing is because of he used to be a taxi driver again. But uti lo gula lo or what into that happened to yena, uti it happened by iskatibe bese a driver. So the attack happened on the way, because it's in umgwaqo, and then he's in that car, and then he gets what we call isilungu say it's an attack. So that we can say it's a panic attack mixed with a stroke. Ne? But then the way avela ngakhona lento liyamshaya on the left side. So I don't know when lapho emotionally which side did you see affected, and there's something that happened to inhloko yakhe. It's like wabumper something, because I see a sound and a bump. Then kune moto or kunento ethi ishayile or a pole. What is that?
Ushayise umkhukhu.
Yeah.
Like uthole attack.
Yeah.
Wayoshayisa umkhukhu.
Yes. Uti, so he's telling us the truth. Uti mkhulu, I got an attack. This attack led me to what? To an accident. But uti mkhulu, it's not the first time. Washo kanjalo. Uti Abu Jabu or Abu Stole, they know that uban Abu Jabu. Yeah. So why would he make reference to those people?
I attack angazi, but yena benganokuba nawo and ibe ngathi inhliziyo ishaya kakhulu.
Yeah, exactly. So we are dealing with a case of a medical condition. We are not dealing. Uti ngifuna ukuthi umndeni it must rule out lento lengathi mina ngibulewe or kunesandla sengfene. Uti mkhulu, I want you to make it clear to my family. Uti, I will say a lot of things tomorrow when umzimba wam comes. But now I want to be clear about other things, because I don't want you to through prepare lo so that you will go to people and consult and do wrong things in preparation of thinking that mina maybe kunomuntu ombuleye or kunesandla sengfene. Ubani usiyabonga or usibongile? Those two names, Usiya
if umntanakhe.
Yeah.
Olandela laba bantu lemhlabeni abayithu.
Okay, ukhona Usiya.
Ukhona mncane.
Okay, how old is Usiya?
3 years.
Yeah, uthi ngicela ukuthi linakekele umntanami. Ngicela ukuthi linakekele umntanami. Angifuni lutho umntanami. He used to take care and love that boy very much. Uthi ufuna ukuthi yonke into ihambe ngendlela right. Akafuni into ngathi ayihambi right. Uthi umzimba wakhe mawungena tomorrow endlini. Fanele ukuthi kube isnuff, fanele ukuthi kube impepo, and then ikhamba.
Yes.
Uti, it's your culture or something, ne?
Yes.
Uti, you guys must do that, and then you receive him or welcome him in that way, ne?
Yes.
Ntokozo. Yeah. So uti ntokozo, yeah. Those people must be well taken care of. Ne?
Yeah.
Yazwakala
baba.
Yeah. Legay? Kiteng. Ki buile gape. Le setse bjang mabane? Le setse gantle ba bang kona ke ba bonang ka tseno ne? So ba sa ntsebeng ke Tebogo Mfete from Lala Notkolo mo Moja Love channel 157 ke bone makoti ka bona bo auntie ka bona bo matswale ka maka bona ka ke bo mang ne re le ka ke bo mang ke nkgono ke thabelo tse bang khono ne and then go morawe ke mang ke bo nkgono go fail. Okay, all right. So ke khutlile ka tseno abutumdudizi utlile o ka gae. So the first thing e abatlang ho e bolela ko hore wa leboga ka mkholong hore o gorositswe ka teng le ka molao le ka mo tsele meleditseng tsona ke le khonno ho etsa matlhapiso a le mabane ke la eletsa kantle so o wa leboga ka matlhapiso a le laentseng for ena le hore a khono go tla ka hae because normally rena as batho ba batho re botswa gore a re khono gore ha motho a hlokofetse ka mkho a motudisi a hlokofetseng ka teng e le gore o palla go tla ka hae mara ke mabane mkhulu hlalositse hore o hlokofetse ka tsela yang ka bona le spirit sa gae le stere gore it was a cause of taba hore it's an attack it's a stroke that leads to kotsi ya stanaha mo atuting king stalikis or mpanji o and then that led to the whole thing but today is more about cautions about na diputsa batlang go di botsa or o batla go leboga family or le go feleletsa o na le ntshwanya ka clarity and o batla batho ba go habo ba marabe about the clarity ya hore ne le feleletsa eng for makoti o batla tlhaloganyo eo hore ke eng ntho ne le feleletsa for makoti mabane o na le ntho ne le feleletsa ke makoti ha ona sa horoso ka tsela e ka tsela e ntsing pila or go no go etsahalang
Kenya ubane upelele ba uqedelelo kulotsholo
okuqedelelo kulotsholo okay simgenise
sabile simgenisa simthela ngenyongo simbesa
okay so ore o utlwa gogo wa ya mohela so ore ha le qeta le mamohela le mothela ka nyongo le mo apesa and everything go tloetsa halang mafellong a hae hore a fitla a le mo hae because already go no gona le diqabano hore ba se ba le mo bona e le ba babedi so ore is it gore le mo kenya fela hore enne hore go nne le motho leng hore o dutse matraseng or go nne le motho re ngwa mozilela or re reng ke mosadi wa hae or le mo kenya ka hore ya nong ke makoti la mo recognize or gona le ntho leng hore le batlo re le fitlhelle ka ho mo kenya ke ena ba botsa o batla dikarabo
ka bua papa
yes
ne re mo apesa hobane a kere ne re mo uthi besimumwe simamukela
yes
ukuthi seka umama wala ekhaya
yes
and then okunengi indaba yokuhlala uzohlala because uyathanda ukuhlalela umyeni wakhe sakhuluma naye ukuthi sizomhlalisa isikhathi esingaka and then emva kwaleso sikhathi retlomu chapisa
okay ore a ke batle hore ho nne le dinkulumo tse ngata o kapa dipuo tse ngata because already dipuo di teng ka family ore a ke batle hore mosadi wa ka a tlo ba mo enno ka re bana o setse a gatelwa or o setse a ba abused in a way ka tsela e itseng if le hore o mo la understand hore le mo kentse anong la mo recognize as hore ke makoti wa lena because le mo kentse ka nyoko lentse everything akere so it means hore through alim a gonna mo leng hore go tlo nna le ntwa mo leng hore e tlo misa ka gabo or e tlo mo ngadisa or lena le tlo mo kuba e be le hore bana o palla go fetsa eng go zela hae a ke rana le mokentse ke makoti wa lena bana ka o felella go bolela monyeni wa hae gore ke makoti wa lena ka o felella banong a lo di jeka ko mafellong le di qadile ore I can understand the family ya ka Tebogo I can understand ntong konza di bolla mara mo I can understand nna huru wa dilo mara hona le di humuna ho itseng ko morao hona di polelo tse ke sa di understand ore a re di fetse di polelo ore kopa le sa nsotlela motho o cause nane ke sa mosotli nane ke mamohetsi ke kopa le sa mosotla le motshware right yes, I was not more perfect as in to using the canal post like a ngata le hore tse leng hore le nna ke di acknowledge mara e le rileng if you really ikadile so ke kopa le fetse ka tsela e felletseng wa mutla koko wa mutla ke yeah so go tlo felela ka nkgo a batlang ka teng a kere o re ko mosading wa ka ke kopa o fole o tie o nne le matla o bona o file lo ena hore wa mosehile because ka mo hae ba o kentse ka setso iblane ba o phetahaitse ka setso o re ke buile le mabane hore se le se bona mo a se tsamaisane le boloi ke kotsi I had a medical condition a kira ba nkutlwa nkgono mabane ke tlhalose ke mare ke sho ba o no nkutlwanyana ke it's a medical condition I ne boloi ebe a tlhalose hore ha ba tle go nne le motho ka reng wa berekwa o se topo se berekwang because a gona isandla seng feng I get we know it's a medical condition and we know what happened go on I get o re tshwaranang le ba bogadi le utlwaneng I get le utlwaneng a ke batlo bana because es ka nna ka re ba no o re why le ka baka motho o a didimetseng why le ka mpaka ke didimetse a ke sa batla mmako ke batla go nna le kutlwisiso se se mo tshwanetseng makoti wa ka le mo fe sona ka re ke makoti wa lena le mo kentse le mo fa di tshwanelo tsa hae le ska mo kenya mo go ratang lena mo go la se mo kenye ka go sa rate ha lena le mo fitlhela tse ding so le se discardileng le se feleletse o re lokoleha o ka gaya no a kere ba o tshware pila ha ba sa o tshware pila o re ena o tla bonana le bona le kentse ikhamba le kentse candle le kentse mpepo so wa di thabela all right ane pele look at anything why is he asking about the clothes what happened ka diaparo tsa hae tsa the accident or the incident the thing okay everything o le ba le ka nkgole mapesteng ka teng ka mogare mapeste bontle ne so what thabela ntwe ka reng ke sutu yona ntwe e formal e jacket ne na rata ntwe tse nice so wa di thabela ane problem ne Noma Uphi malum malum mtshana ho batla bua le wena wena o sa le go mrago o re tlhokomela lapa la ka heno tlhokomele le close wena le mufa kere ne le utlwana ga gola kere ya o re o tie le boletse ka di plans tsa lena gore ba nong ko wena monna ka mo wena o tlhokomele lapa le lo di be right akere o ska nna ka re ba no ka ra sa le teng as much as na le ka teng but na rata lo tse di tsamang ka molao le motho mo strict mdudusi ne o re ko wena bana o shebileng o tlhokomeleleng gone o reng gone le wena o kopa re o phole a kere ka mo re boletse le mabana gore in this house ke lapa la badimo a kere le sala sedimo morao le batho ba leng gore le lena le nneo mo sedimo a kere so pholang go sa nna le dipolelo tse ngata and tse di kopa gore malome ko wena bana o shebileng lapa le shebe hantle o tie ko wena monna wa lapa le bana nna ke robetse I can only ke thuse ka ha moya nka se khone tla mo ka tlo thusa ka etsang hona le bothata o re lwena o shebe malome hona le problem e fule re gona le ntholong aba iutlwisisi o tla o tse malome o tla bua le bona ha kere because the issue ya lapa le gore le tletse ka batho ba bangata ba society so it's more of the clash study character or personalities o mong ha o tlisise o mong ke kopa le tlwelo sebana ka mo and le rata maka too much tloelang go sebana le bua maka ge motho sa utlwise ntho a etsang mmotse gore a ke utlwisise ntho ya gona o ska re ola a re ha ya ko mong e tla e sa end up ka tsela e right or o thabela mopato wa ka osane or o tsamaya wa ka mopato wa ka o tsamaya right a gona ntho leng gore e tlo khoreletse ha bulang dipele go be right o ithubaletse wa mohetetse tsotlhe finally ntho ne mo hlopha all along we khuditse any questions to your husband
when I was trying to when we were fighting for the steering did he hear me when I was screaming his name?
He was already out. You were fighting for the steering for the car not to go to the road and hit other cars. I get so that those why he end up ile ebetile eng mukuku. So maybe it's right, because this could have turned very ugly, by the way. Could have turned no stem more if Elohorkoli ain't strate. So we could be talking here, but what you did, you saved other things as well. Or prevent out of control like. So what habela ntho or finally into na batlo etsa hore ba o keze ke ntho nentsa e lwela na go gotle. It's unfortunate that taba ya o kenywa ka mogae ka mo leshakela go hae ka matshwanedi le ka go felela e irahala kana go early mo yona nako mara ke ntho le re nkile e irahetsa a le teng le ena a le right ke ntho are ntho e o mkhulu ke ntho e nkgono ntsa mpotsa gore e lokise ke a lebogane ke thabetso ba le lena le pategantle Lena to sama hantle, let's go bala Cuba. It thing I get all right. So Kausane, everything be right, libe right. Nna go ga ile iponetse gore family ya Hamakakula e bulikile ka tsela e yang le gore a botse ntutuzi o itumetse ka mkhoneng gore melaetsa o fifana ka yona go ya ka tsela a ntetseng ka yona le gore mosadi wa hae o itumetse le ba lapa ba itumetse ka mkhoneng gore dilo di tsamele ka teng Luzo la ka ke Tebogo Mfete o shebeletse Lalano Xolo mo Moja Love Channel 157 until